my s'mores cake. I wanted to really capture every element of s'mores in cake form. So not only is this cake delicious, but it's warm, gooey, and fast to make. So to make the graham cracker flavored cake, we're going to start out with some soft butter and vanilla, which I didn't have for this video, but let's pretend it's in the bowl, okay? You're going to add some brown sugar and honey, and you want to cream these ingredients just until combined. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell. I post new videos every week. Go ahead and add the egg. As you can see, this recipe comes together so quickly. When I was developing this recipe, I really wanted to capture the essence of a s'mores. I loved its simplicity, so I knew I wanted a delicious but simple and fast cake recipe, just like a s'mores is. Add the dry ingredients, which also include a dash of cinnamon and 2 gratings of nutmeg. Nutmeg, guys, I'm sure you know, goes a long way, so 2 gratings is more than enough. I also added the buttermilk, and you want to mix these ingredients until combined. Make sure you don't overmix. Now, I'm baking this off in a greased skillet. You don't have to use a skillet. You can use a normal cake pan if you want, or even a pie dish if you prefer. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. Do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Now, you have 2 options here. You can either set this aside, let it cool, and whenever you're ready, whenever your guests are ready, you can add your chocolate and marshmallows and pop it in the oven. However, the beauty of this cake, guys, is that you don't have to wait for it to cool. So you can add the chocolate and marshmallows straight away and enjoy it immediately. I like to use a thin chocolate bar, which I just, break up into big chunks. And then I fill the spaces in between the chocolate with chocolate chips. Be generous. It is a s'mores cake after all. And then you're going to top everything with marshmallows, and you can either cut them in half or leave them whole. You're going to pop this back into the oven to broil, and I do like to leave the oven door open. That way, I make sure nothing burns, and this will take anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes at the most. You're going to let this sit for 2 minutes, just so you don't burn yourself, and then dig in. Get yourself a spoon or fork, guys, and get ready to enjoy the most comforting, nostalgic, delicious s'mores cake. It's moist and gooey and warm. No cold s'mores cake here, okay? This truly captures the essence of a s'mores.